In this video, I'm going to go over the method that I use to make an oboe reed. So my students are always asking me, how do I make a reed? So I thought I'd go over the process that I go through step by step. First of all, rather than starting from scratch, I'd recommend you get an oboe reed to copy. You can buy this off the internet, or if you take private lessons, you can probably get one from your oboe teacher. You're also going to need an oboe reed case. I like this black one here. It's a bit on the pricey side, but I think it's worth every penny, and you're going to see why in a minute. On to step one. First of all, you're going to place the reed in the case. And now that you've placed the reed in the case, go ahead and close the case. That's step two. Step three, you're going to wait a moment. And step four, you're going to go ahead and open back up that reed case. And there you have it. That's the method that I use to make oboe reeds. You see you had one, you now have three. You're probably wondering if this is going to work with a cheaper reed case, so I'll go ahead and demonstrate that as well. The method is pretty much the same, but you're going to find the result is not quite as consistent. So we're going to go ahead and put the reed back in the case just like we did before. Be careful not to mess it up. You're going to close the case. You're going to wait a moment. Then you're going to pick the case back up, open up the case, and you're going to see with these cheaper cases, occasionally you will get an English horn reed, and obviously we do not want that. So that's the step-by-step process that I use to make oboe reeds. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like and subscribe, guys, and if there's any other aspect of reed making that you'd like covered, go ahead and leave a comment down below, and I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as possible. Thanks, guys.